Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, which is one of the most important parts, is that you have to set up some folders in your H drive. If you don't do this, then moving around the room is not going to be fun because you'll lose a lot of stuff, and to be honest, it just makes it easier. So what we do, if we go to File Explorer and we go to our H drive. Now, mine's going to look a lot different to yours, but I got an IST folder, and inside my IST is all my subjects, my exams, da 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 da. Now, I got two folders for this subject. One's called the Internet, and inside the Internet, I've got a few things that I have created. So what we really need to do is create a folder. So if I go new, where's folder? There, new folder, and I say, okay, this is web assessment, right? So what I do then, inside web assessment, I'm going to have a new folder which would be called, say, images. Now, what happens is when you have a website, here's one I've done, right? So inside this, I've called it, this is Merriweather the Junction general practice. And in design one, you have all these folders, and I've shown you the one that I've actually done, which is the images. And what you do is you put all your images inside the folder. Now, you may not necessarily use all these, but it's just good practice to have an images folder and put all your images in there. And obviously the images are going to be files that are related to your topic. Now, inside your assessment folder, you're going to have eventually you're going to have these files that are going to go in there. Now, index is what the internet basically knows, that this page is the first page of a website. So the first page is like your home, it's the home page, but it's called index.html. And if I double clicked on it, it would probably open up all the links and everything and get it. So if I double click on this, it says, what do you want to do with it? Okay, I want to open it in Chrome, and here is that website. Now, that is an actual website. So if I go Merriweather the Junction GP, this is an actual website that I created. So it's actually a business that I was paid to actually produce, and that is the way in which I set up those folders is good practice to have that in there. So if I show you the web assessment folder, it's got images in there, and from there I can start building my website.